Amp CLI has support for streaming JSON output. This is great for automation, headless environments like containers, GitHub Actions, remote debugging, and more. You can think of it like an API that you can call from anywhere. You can integrate it into any workflow. Let's see how this works. Let's say you have an API that is returning 500s. It's a REST API, and a lot of people use it. Typically, you would tail api.log, but now we can use an agent to identify the issue. So let's run this. We're going to run amp execute and ask it to check var log api.log. So look at this. There's a database timeout errors, and that means it's being overloaded. So let's do part 2 deep dive. All right, now we're going to run this command, and it's going to say, show me the database connection code and suggest a fix. So it sees that there is a database pool size of 1, which is set too low. So let's look at the current config. Okay, we can see it is 1. So now what we're going to do is we're going to say increase the database pool size to 5 and add some retry logic. Cool. So it says it's done and the database pool size is 5. I believe it, but let's check it out. Okay, it is now 5. That's good, but we also need to run a test. Okay, perfect. There it is. Amp CLI now streams JSON output in real time. It's perfect for automation, CI/CD pipelines, and remote debugging. From 500 errors to 0 downtime, find out more at ampco.com.